My dear friends, today I will show you a phacoemulsification surgery of grade 2 to 3 nuclear sclerosis patient. After injecting 0.6% trypan blue dye, inject 2% HPMC and make continuous curvilinear capsular axis of adequate size. After making the axis, now inject some HPMC and make a main port. By using 2.8 keratome. Now do the hydrodissection and hydrodelineation. Now rotate the nucleus. If nucleus is rotated, then it's okay. Otherwise, repeat the hydro procedure. Free rotation of the nucleus is must for the beginners. This indicates there is no any corticocapsular additions. Dear friends, now it is right time to start the phacoemulsification surgery. I am doing modified direct chop technique in this patient. First, adjust the phaco tip size and then start emulsification. I am emulsifying superficial cortex first, then in US1 mode I will make trench. Now rotate the nucleus, go to the US2 mode and then chop the nucleus. Make multiple chops like this, go to the US3 mode and lift one piece of the nucleus in the AC, bring it into the center and then emulsify. Always remember, bring the nuclear pieces from periphery to the center and then emulsify it. Don't emulsify in the periphery. At this time, in this case, I used yellow filter. I feel very much comfortable with this yellow filter. Not only depth perception, the visibility is also very good. Now go to the US4 mode and emulsify the epinucleus. Now start cortical cleanup. Use the Synco cannula. You can use coaxial as well as bimanual cannula. This instrument is very good. All the reflexes and the maneuvers are in our hand by using this instrument. Remove the subincisional cortex from other port. Now do the hydropolish and inject HPMC. Now implant the intraocular lens. I should try to implant the intraocular lens in such a way that the leading haptics should go into the bag like this, and now dial the trailing haptics with the help of lens dialer. Now remove the HPMC from the bag as well as from the back of the lens also. Don't leave HPMC inside the AC. Now inject 0.1 ml pilocarpine and then wash it. Now inject the preservative-free moxifloxacin 0.1 ml and then hydrate the wound. After hydration of the wound, do the final lavage. Thus surgery is concluded. Thank you very much for watching this video.